Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna work on this key fob, and this is for a vehicle. My goal is to join this connection with this connection. See if I can do it quick. See, you have to, there's like two little holes here. You want to sit this in. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, it's kind of tough, but let's see, I might be able to push that back. Okay, it's in now, and now it's not in all the way. Okay, it's better now. Now I'm just gonna make a little point here, a little soldering point. See if I can maybe use this mount to keep it in place, like this. Let's see. Where is my soldering iron? Right here. Let's see. So it should be, I think, this connection. Let's put some flux in there. I think I got the connection. Let me just double check. I hope they don't touch each other. If they touch each other, that's not very good. Let me just take this. Okay, I think now they don't touch each other. Awesome. Alright, let's test it really quick. I think it's all fixed up now. Oh, that's your plus right here. I think it's all fixed up. How do you turn it on? Let's put this all back together. This goes this way. Then I need to put this. I think it's going this way. I'm not sure. Or this way. Yeah, I think this way. There you go. Now this will go in like so, and I'm not sure where this one goes. Okay, now this one goes in. Let's see. Okay, I think it's the way it should be. And now let's put the battery. Where's the plus? I have to figure out how to turn it on, but it should be all good to go. So I'll let the customer test it. I think maybe the battery is dead. Alright everyone, so this is how you fix the keyless entry remote control on this little unit. The name of the company is CompuStar, and all what I did, I joined one point here and it should be good to go. I think the battery is dead, so I'll have to test it with a brand new battery, otherwise it's all good to go, and I will call the customer to pick it up. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.